Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix app not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart mobile. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check internet. Open settings, scroll down, click on network and internet and check network. After check network, now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device settings, again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates, and now here you will see two options, got it and update. And if you want to update software, then click on got it. After click on got it, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix apps not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.